Hello and welcome to the ChurchPlus YouTube channel. We are thrilled that you joined us today. In this video, we will learn how to send voice messages to members using the ChurchPlus Administrative Solution. Let's get started. Open the ChurchPlus Administrative Solution and enter your credentials to log into the system. Navigate to the menu area. Click Communication. Click on Voice. To compose voice messages, click on the big blue Compose Voice button. Select the destination of the voice messages. You can easily send voice messages to all contacts, groups, and individuals, as well as upload new contacts and send voice messages instantly. Please select an audio file from the existing files or upload a new file. Click the down arrow icon. Then click Upload a new file. And select your file to upload. Make sure to upload an MP3 file that is exactly 30 seconds long. Only MP3s are accepted. Once you have carefully reviewed the voice message and recipients, click on the blue Send button. If you want to schedule a voice message to be sent later, click the down arrow beside the Send button and choose Schedule. Pick the date and time and click the blue Schedule button. Below are some examples of events where you may want to create voiceovers. Thanking first-time visitors for worshiping with your church. Offering New Month prayers to members. Sending Christmas and New Year prayers to members. Wishing members a happy birthday or happy wedding anniversary. Inviting people to upcoming events and more. The message must be in MP3 format and no longer than 30 seconds. It will be delivered as a phone call to your church members. Remember to be creative with the voice messages for the events. You can even hire a professional voice-over artist to get the job done. Congratulations on learning how to send voice messages. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. For any questions or support, please email us at support@churchplus.co. Thank you for watching and bye for now.